Alright guys, so here is how to set up your Coffee Corner 101. This is a bronze location, very simple, very basic. We've got water, we've got hot water, we've got the different coffee here. They actually serve themselves here, so nobody has to man this station. And then the cups and stir sticks, creamers, I mean, it's not rocket science, people. And then new to this program, we're actually going to be having the marketing materials up. So once the program and app is live, there will be passive marketing going on, and this location will be generating leads. So this is a bronze location. Stay tuned for the silver and gold.